First phase is construction of a 9-classroom addition to the west end of our campus. There's also a renovation to classrooms, 5 classrooms.
Teutopolis High School Superintendent Bill Fritcher says renovations to these classrooms will include new drop ceilings and upgraded lighting. Phase 1 of the 2-part project will start this spring and end in the summer. Fritcher says the school has needed work done for a while now.
The school board's been talking about this for many, many years, what to do with the old section of the building. We knew the time was going to come that we would either have to renovate or we would have to tear down and build new.
Renovating and tearing down is exactly what Phase 2 of the project will consist of.
It will include the demolition of the 1929 and 49 sections of our high school building. It will include renovation of 2 classrooms in our shop area into a new band room, and it will also include construction of an enclosed walkway.
Connie Daters is one of the teachers at the school whose classroom is being torn down. Daters says she's excited for some new space.
There's a lot of things with this room that are going wrong. If you look around, tiles, and we can't control the temperature. We have rain that comes in the windows when it rains, and there's just a lot of things in this room that need to be fixed.
Daters says she thinks not only will teachers appreciate these updates, but students too.
Got the pride of, hey, this is ours, let's take care of it. It's part of their building, it's new for them, so they've got the pride of, hey, this is ours, let's take care of it.
In Teutopolis, I'm Bailey Taylor for WEIU Newswatch.